Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. In this exciting video, we will be discussing how you can use ChatGPT to not only start an online business as a high-ticket affiliate marketer, but also how you can do it without spending hours creating your own content. Even if you're a beginner without any technical skills, or you're an introvert like me, or you're already an online marketer just looking to level up, ChatGPT is for you. And stick around to the end of this video for a secret that will be revealed. Don't cheat, I'll know. Making money online from home has become increasingly popular, especially since the pandemic. Many people are now seeking ways to generate income from the comfort of their own homes. One of the most effective and easiest ways to make money online, especially as a beginner, is through affiliate marketing. But the problem is that creating high quality content can be challenging and time consuming for most people. Fortunately, ChatGPT has come to the rescue. So what is ChatGPT technically? It is an AI-powered language model that can help you create high quality content in a matter of minutes. Not only is it a search engine, but it's like having your very own personal assistant as well. In this video, we'll be exploring the incredible features of ChatGPT and 3 different ways that you can use ChatGPT to generate income online as a high-ticket affiliate marketer, as well as how you can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. So let's dive into some of the features of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can generate content for a wide range of platforms, including blogs, websites, YouTube, and social media channels. You simply input a topic or keyword, and ChatGPT will generate content ideas, outlines, and then even write the content for you. This means you can create high-quality content in a matter of minutes without having to do any research or doing any writing yourself at all. This means not only can you research what type of videos to make, but then you can actually have ChatGPT write the entire video scripts for you. ChatGPT can also translate your video into different languages, making it easy to reach a global audience. This is a great feature for affiliate marketers that want to expand their reach and target customers in different parts of the world. Along with videos for YouTube, you can also generate social media content for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. This means you can create engaging posts and updates without having to spend hours brainstorming and writing. Along with all that, you could also create chatbots for your website or social media platforms. Chatbots are becoming more and more popular and really help you to engage with your audience on a more personal level. ChatGPT can help you create chatbots to answer your audience's questions, and even to promote your affiliate products. This is a great way to automate your marketing efforts and save a ton of time. And I think my favorite feature about ChatGPT is the personalization. ChatGPT can actually learn from your writing style and preferences, making it easier to generate content that fits your brand's voice. This means that the more you use ChatGPT, the better it gets at generating unique content that matches your style. Now let's talk about the 3 specific ways that you can use ChatGPT to generate money online. Number 1 is my favorite, and it's starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google and is one of the most popular social media platforms worldwide. Creating content for YouTube sometimes can be challenging and time consuming. That's why a lot of people give up after 1 or 2 videos. But with ChatGPT, you can create high quality videos without spending a ton of time writing out scripts or doing a bunch of editing. With ChatGPT, not only can you generate the video ideas, but then you can generate the scripts and even the captions and titles for your YouTube videos. This way you can create multiple videos within a short time, and you don't have to worry about the quality of the content. Once you've created your videos, you can monetize your channel by joining the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to earn money from ads placed on your videos. You can also use your videos for a second stream of income and promote affiliate products in your videos and earn commissions. The second way to earn money with ChatGPT is that you can create content for a website or a blog. Creating a website is another effective way to earn income as an affiliate marketer. With ChatGPT, you can search which niches to write about and what to create content around, as well as having ChatGPT write out the entire article for you. It can also search keywords for you so that you know what to have in your article in order to get more traffic to it. With ChatGPT, you can create high quality blog posts, product reviews, and even entire websites without having any previous experience or technical skills. You can also use your website to build an email list, which is one of the most effective ways of promoting affiliate products. Once you have an email list, you can promote affiliate products to the subscribers on your list and earn commissions anytime they click on one of your links. And ChatGPT can write out all the emails for you. Here's an example of an email that ChatGPT created for my subscribers. Dear subscriber, I hope this email finds you well. Here's an example of an email that ChatGPT wrote for me when all I typed in was, write me an example of an email I could send to my subscribers. And here's what it came up with. Dear subscriber, I hope this email finds you well. Today I wanted to share with you a new tool that I've been using to take my affiliate marketing business to the next level, ChatGPT. As you know, creating high quality content is crucial for success in affiliate marketing, but it can also be time consuming and challenging. That's why I started using ChatGPT, an AI powered tool that can help generate high quality content in a matter of minutes. With ChatGPT, I've been able to create multiple pieces of content quickly without compromising on the quality. Whether I'm writing a blog post, I've also been able to personalize my content using ChatGPT's personalization feature, which learns from my writing style and preferences, making it easier to generate content that fits my brand. I believe ChatGPT can help you take your affiliate marketing business to the next level too, so I wanted to share this tool with you and invite you to give it a try. I'm confident that you'll be amazed at how much time and effort ChatGPT can save you. If you're interested in trying ChatGPT, you can sign up for a free trial by clicking on this link, insert link here. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with ChatGPT, so feel free to share them with me. Thank you for being a part of the Get Free with Annie community, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Best regards. I think that's pretty good. That sounds like an email that I would write. Okay, so the third way that you can use ChatGPT to make money online is with TikTok. Even if you think you're too old or too cool to be on TikTok, it is one of the fastest growing social media platforms in the world, with over 1 billion active users and climbing. TikTok allows its users to create short videos, and using ChatGPT, you can create an outline for these videos by just simply typing in, "Make me an outline for a TikTok video." TikTok allows users to create short videos, and with ChatGPT, you can create high quality videos without scripting and editing for hours. Then you can use your TikTok videos to promote products and earn affiliate commissions. TikTok also allows users to earn money through live streaming, which is another great way of making money as an affiliate marketer. With ChatGPT, you can quickly create content and ideas for TikTok videos that align with your brand. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, ChatGPT can generate ideas for workout videos or healthy eating tips that you can use for your TikTok content. You can input keywords related to your niche, and ChatGPT will generate a script for you that you can use for the basis of your video. And ChatGPT can help you generate captions that are catchy and engaging. ChatGPT is a tool that can help you generate high quality TikTok content quickly and easily. By using ChatGPT to generate content ideas, video scripts, and captions, you can save time and focus on the other aspects of leveling up your affiliate marketing business. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an excellent tool for anyone looking to make money online as a high ticket affiliate marketer. With ChatGPT, you can create high quality content without spending hours brainstorming, scripting, coming up with titles, and editing. Whether you want to start a YouTube channel, create a website, or make money on TikTok, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals quickly and easily. So why not give it a try and start your journey to freedom today? And now for the big reveal of the secret. That entire video script was created by ChatGPT. In reality, I would have made some changes and added a bunch more content and really kind of put my own twist and style on it. I wanted to make this video completely using ChatGPT, not editing it at all, so you could see how good it was at generating content. If I was really using ChatGPT to make a real video reflecting my brand and doing like a product review, I definitely would have added more in and changed some of the verbiage. A lot of things that felt a little bit repetitive, but overall, without having done any editing, I think that that was a great video script. And it literally took a few minutes. I typed in a paragraph about what I wanted the video to be about, and that's what it created. And if you're an affiliate marketer or an online marketer, or you have an online business at all, or you know anything about it at all, then you know that what you have to do in order to get eyes on you, get traffic, is that you have to make high quality content. And sometimes that can literally take days and days of research, brainstorming, outlining, finding keywords, coming up with titles, writing out a script. I mean, it can take a really long time. And if you actually just have a few ideas and you can type that into ChatGPT and then add in your own flavor and details and things like that too, it could literally save you so much time and energy while still being on brand and being something that you would actually say. Now, of course, if you want to take the super lazy route, you could just have ChatGPT do everything for you, not edit it at all. And as you saw, you could still come up with a pretty decent video or article or TikTok video. In the future, I'm going to use it in a more hybrid way to just help me like come up with title ideas and things like that. But if you wanted to, you could just create content 100% from ChatGPT and make affiliate commissions online easily. Let me know what you thought of the video below in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed another video with Get Free with Annie, and we'll see you next time.